Okay, so let's just work at finding the other side for trig diagrams. Okay, so yes, there's my comic of the day. Get it? No, okay, probably you don't. If you're a Sherlock Holmes fan, you'll get it. But yeah, tragic. But somebody needs to find me some good, less sad maths cartoons. So email, you know how to get hold of me. Okay, so here we go. Just before we start, because this isn't going to be a long video, just when you've got something that's unknown and it's on the bottom, remember that previous ones, they were on the top, we multiplied. These ones are on the bottom. What you need to do is swap them. So let's have a look at that. So this is the kind of problem you're going to end up with. So in this sense, you had the angle and you had the adjacent, but your hypotenuse was missing. And if you have a look, the missing thing's on the bottom. So what we do here is we do a little swapsy. Can you see the swap? The u and the cosine have simply swapped places. Okay, so when the missing thing's on the bottom, do a swap. When the missing thing's on the top, multiply. Okay, so let's have a look at some problems here. Oh, here we go. Triangle. Yay, love triangles. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look. I've got 30 degrees. I've got an adjacent and a hypotenuse, so I've got cosine. Good job. Okay, fabulous. So here we go. I'm going to fill all the information in by now. Should be well used to doing this. So there's the 5. Notice it's on top because it's adjacent, goes on top. Okay, and cosine 30. Now you'll have a look here and you'll see that the missing thing is on the bottom. All right, so when it's on the bottom, remember I'm going to do a swapsy. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, there we go. Perfect, huh? Okay, so notice that the x and the cos 30 have swapped places. Now, all you've got to do is literally load this in your calculator. You don't have to use a fraction button. You can just go 5 divided by cos 30 equals. And if you do, you get 5.8. All right, now just do a double check. Against that hypotenuse, the hypotenuse should be longest, right? So what my short side was 5, my hypotenuse is longer. Awesome. Let's just have a look at a second one here. Okay, I've got 25, I've got 8 centimeters, and I've got the hypotenuse. Now the 8 centimeter, I'm pretty sure that's the opposite. Okay, so that means I'm going to use sine. Okay, so let's pop this stuff in. Okay, there's the angle in, and there's my opposite side in. Hypotenuse is missing. I could leave that as an H, but in this case I put it as an M. It doesn't matter which. Okay, so thing on the bottom's missing, so I'm going to do a little swappy. There she is. Okay, and chuck that through my calculator. So 8 divided by sine 25 equals 18.9 centimeters. Rocking this nicely. Okay, so yeah, see if you can just quietly answer these questions. So you might want to pause on the screen. Okay, so pause now.